Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Neelam, your art teacher, and this week again we are trying step by step easy drawing. And in first step, I will draw two slant lines like V shape but upside down, and two straight lines and the corners, and one more straight line in slant position like parallel lines. And then we'll draw two straight lines and one horizontal line and one U shape and a small U shape inside this. Now this is the door, and for window I am using a circle shape, and again one circle for the door knob. And this is a wooden door, so I am giving the texture like standing lines to make wooden texture. And on the window I am drawing a flower shape, and then we will fill the whole scene with some fillers, like we'll draw an oval shape in front of the door like a doormat. So doormat, you can use 2-3 shapes or you can use any design for that. Now I'm drawing two horizontal lines on both sides to draw fencing. So again I will draw one more line parallel to the upper line and draw small lines, standing lines, and on the upper side of these lines we will draw U shape but upside down, like these are the part of the standing lines. Now we will draw small stones on the ground, like we can use semicircles and oval shape. Oval is like two curved lines opposite to one another, and on the empty area we will draw some flowers, but on flowers I'm using triangular shape, like petals are like triangular, and leaves are same, two semicircles for leaf. And again on the other side I am drawing the same flower. If you want to change the flower shape, you can change the shape, and you can add some grass to fill the scene. Now in the background we will draw some other things, like I am drawing a chimney of the house, and I will draw a cloud shape to show the smoke which is coming out from the chimney. And then I will add clouds, sun and trees. These are the fillers of any composition, so you can add these fillers in any scene to complete the scene. Here I am using triangle rays for the sun. And now for the tree, draw two curved lines, like I'm drawing trees at the back of the house, so I'm drawing again one more horizontal line to show the base of the trees. Then draw two curved lines, one opposite to another, and one V shape in the center like this. And you can draw cloud shape for the tree, upper part of the tree. Now our scene is done. We can add more grass if you want to add. Now I will use marker or sketch pen to outline this picture. You can add more patterns to it. It's your choice. So I'm adding some patterns like triangle for the roof and circle on the wall. Now if you picture the drawing completed, then you have to outline the picture, and then we will start coloring. And we are using oil pastel colors here. After using marker or sketch pen for outlining, you have to remove the pencil lines if there is any correction in the drawing. Now we will use oil pastel colors. Yellow for the wall, red and pink on the roof, brown doors. So it's totally up to you. You can use any color, but we use brown color for the ground. We can use any color on the house, but trees will be same, grass will be same, and the ground will be same. Brown will be the ground and sky will be the same, clouds will be the same. So you can change the color on the house. It can be yellow, it can be green, it can be of any color. We are using brown color on the fencing, brown doors, orange doormat, brown stones, green on the trees, the upper part of the tree, foliage, and dark blue I will use on the clouds. On flowers you can use any color. They can be of any color, orange, pink, red. Grey color I will use for the smoke. And then on the sky, sun, I am using red and orange color. Dark blue, a middle blue, medium shade of blue I am using on the cloud. So like this you can complete the whole picture. The two spaces are left, sky and the land area behind the hut. So I'm using light blue color on the sky and light green for the land area. Okay, now our scene is done. Hope you like the technique of drawing, step-by-step drawing. You must try this. Thank you.